Hello, everybody. This is Mark Hill, author of The Secret to Prosperity. Today, we're going to talk about Procter and Gamble Stock, making passive income and asset appreciation from Procter and Gamble. This is a great company. You can look recently at the headlines. They had great earnings, strong results, and the stock went up 5%. The stock has pretty much been on an uptrend for months and months. And we can see it's around $93 a share. It could go up into the hundreds, over $100 a share, or it could fall back a little bit, back into the 80s. It has support at around $80. So any pullback, if it does pull back, that's just a buying opportunity. This is an excellent company. It's on a long-term uptrend. Let's look at the annual returns. You can see you'll get around 9% annual return, annual appreciation on the stock. It's not a high flyer. It won't go up 100 or 200% overnight. But it's a very secure company, safe company. I'll show you in a minute how they make products that everyone basically has to buy, no matter if it's a great economy or it's a bad economy. They sell products that people always need. We can look at the dividend. Let's go look at the dividend payment. Okay. They've been growing dividends, increasing their dividends for over 62 years. Okay, that's phenomenal. It's beyond a dividend aristocrat. Those are companies that have increased their dividends for over 25 years. This is considered a dividend king. Very exclusive group of companies who've been raising their dividends for investors for over 50 years. So only about 23 of those companies as I speak today. This is a dividend king. Right now, if you invest, you'll get about 3% yield on your money. But the magic is holding it long term, 5, 10, 15 years, and you'll probably be looking at a 7% return on your money as the dividend increases year after year. The higher your yield will be. So I would predict 10 years from now, someone who invested today, they'd be getting 7 or 8% return, more than any bank would ever give you. And that's just from the cash flow. That's not even talking about also doubling the stock price. It'll probably double in about 10 years. But this is a great income, passive income producer. As you can see, just going back to the 90s, how every year that dividend just goes up and up every year. They pay every quarter. So they've been paying about 72 cents a share for the last 4 quarters. The next quarter, you can expect an increase in the dividend. Sometime in the spring of 2019, they're going to increase this dividend. Just going through a little bit of history of the company's profile. Company was founded in 1837. See, this is what I love. Companies like this been around over 100 years, creeping up on 200 years. Successful business. I love it. You gotta love it. This is a great place to park your money. I'm gonna add it to my portfolio pretty soon here. You know, not a big holding, but just to diversify the dividend income portfolio. This is definitely a must-have company, in my opinion. They are also doing business in over 180 countries. Yeah, right here. 180 countries is where they sell their products. I mean, that's basically the whole world. That's the whole world. They have profits coming in from all over the world. A true global juggernaut. And down here it talks about, okay, the average rate of their dividend increase has been 8.5% over the last 5 years. So they pay this income every 3 months, every quarter. Then every year they'll probably raise it around 8 to 10%, give or take. Where else can you get a 10% or 8% raise in income every year? I mean, that's phenomenal. Very, very phenomenal. That'll beat inflation. That'll beat inflation. You know, you keep your money in the bank and it just gets burned every year by inflation. So I'd rather keep my money in a great dividend stock like Procter and Gamble, where I'll beat inflation, where I'll get a pretty much guaranteed raise in income every year. You can go to the website, the investors relations section of the website. Like I said before, 180 years in business, 66 billion in sales, 180 countries, 62 years of dividend increases. How much more stable can you get? Let's look at the brands. Let's look at the brands. Iconic brands. Iconic brands you can trust. House. Look at all these different segments first. Got the baby care, family care, feminine care, hair care, home care, grooming, personal health, oral care, skin care. I mean, these are products that people always need. Here you got the baby diapers. People need baby diapers. Always. Here you have the washing laundry detergent. The Tide, the Bounce, the dryer sheets, Downy. They basically have almost a monopoly on this. Era, Gain. You've seen all these brands at the grocery store. At the Kleenex facial tissues, Puffs, Bounty paper towels, Charmin, toilet paper. You got the feminine care for women. You got the hair care, the shampoo. These are some of the most popular shampoo brands. They own them all. See, that's the thing. This company is so wealthy, so powerful that if another brand does pop its head out and give it a little competition, they'll buy them out. They have the money. They'll usually just buy out the competition, similar to what Coca-Cola does. Once you get so big, you just buy out the competition. You got a dishwashing liquid, Cascade Joy, Mr. Clean, the Swiffer, Household Comet. All of these are strong brands. You have to clean the house. People's got to keep the house clean. Then you have the grooming products, the razor blades, shaving gel. Now I didn't even know about this, that they own these healthcare products. Pepto-Bismol and Vicks, Vaporub. I didn't know. See, they own more products than I even knew about. All these popular brands you'll see at the at the pharmacy or in the drugstore or supermarket. You have the toothpaste, the mouthwash, the soap. You got the soap and the lotion, oil of Olay, Ivory, deodorants, Old Spice, Secret. Come on, it's just too much. This company is just an excellent company. I've got to make this a part of my portfolio. I will this month. Great passive income, great brands, products people always have to buy. Let me know what you think about Procter and Gamble. Is this a company that you think will be a great long-term investment also? Let me know. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think about Procter and Gamble. Till next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.